Hello friends, welcome to Mithi's Kitchen. Once again, today we are making chicken and palak. And chicken and palak is very tasty recipes. And especially, my favorite is palak, karela. I really love some of the veggies, and that makes me always encouraged to make the different dishes. So we are planning today I have that 1.5 kg chicken. This is a tablespoon of each garlic and ginger paste, and also cut green chili, and a cup of the tomato crust, 2 big onion crust, and also like probably a couple 100 grams spinach. And also I have it here cumin seed, salt, like 1 tablespoon, like half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, each tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, and quarter teaspoon of the another chili flakes. So let's we start our cooking. So our pot is enough hot, so we will add the oil in it. Now I will increase little bit of heat for the pot, so we can add some ingredients on the normal heat. I add the cumin seed, and we will add green chili. After we add chili, we will add the onion. Now we will fry the onion and chili until it gets little soft and like thin paste. So in couple minutes we have to fry that very good, and my heat is on medium low, so it will take couple minutes to fry it. Okay, so now you can see our onion is very good light pinkish. So at this point we will add our garlic and ginger paste. We will not add our chili paste because we have used a green onion, so we don't need it that. And this one we will cook about a minute. At this point we will add our tomato puree. After that we will add all our dry ingredients. So now friends, you can see that our masala is very good fried. At this point I have still the heat on the medium, and at this point we will add our chicken. So you can see that friends, I have added all chicken in it, and now we will let it cook chicken probably another 8 to 10 minutes, and after that I will show you. And I like to cook with the low heat, so chicken is cooking with the low heat, and at this point I will cover the lid, so we will let it cook for the 10 minutes. So hello friends, we can see our chicken is cooking very well, and you can see that we have not added any water or anything, and still is cooking well. And I think still we have to cook probably another 5 to 7 minutes. So after that I will show you how chicken is turning. So hello friends, one more time we can check our chicken, how it look like. It's turning very well. So what we can do at this point, we will add our spinach. With the spinach, we will let it cook another few minutes, probably 5 to 7 minutes until spinach get, because you can see that our chicken we have not add any water, but it cooked by the chicken's water and also onion, tomatoes. So it's really good turning out. And now we add the spinach, so we will let it cook for another few minutes until that cook very good. So I will show you another 5 to 7 minutes. We will let it cook this chicken. So friends, let's go check our chicken, how it turns. So look real nice, very good. At this point you can see that we can turn off our stove, and let's rid this out. So hello friends, you can see that our chicken is done with the spinach, and it's really very great recipes. You will really enjoy, and you can eat with the rice, roti, or even though our bajri's rotlo. It will be very tasty. So please follow this recipe, and if you have any question, comments, please note to our comment box, and see you again with another simple recipe. Until then, have a blessed day.